Let your children's imaginations run wild, all the while playing in their own Cedar Summit Premium Playset. Fresh air, friends, fun. This is the Brookridge Deluxe Premium Playset, and it's professionally designed to look great while creating happy childhood memories. Imaginations let loose in the Brookridge, with multiple play areas such as the covered cafe table and stools, a perfect place for a tea party. Or check out the chalk wall for aspiring school teachers. Active kids can burn off energy on the monkey bars or on the sturdy rock wall. And for just relaxing, kids can kick back in the sandbox or look up adventure with the telescope from the top of the clubhouse. There are 9 different stations, so everyone can play together at the same time. And you can be assured that they are all safe with our carefully engineered designs. Features such as the high rail wave slide keep your children securely tucked in. The 2 belt swings are extra wide for stability, and the glide ride uses a soft touch rope to avoid harm. Every safety detail has been considered, and it is backed by a 10-year limited warranty. The Brookridge comes with a detailed instruction manual for easy setup. Everything is pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained for your convenience. Soon, you'll have a center for your kids to laugh, play, and create childhood adventures. Watch them grow, play, and have fun right from the safety of your own Cedar Summit Premium Playset.